How to deactivate Google Photos account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos and log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings and make sure you turn off Backup and your photos will not be uploaded to it. Then go back to Settings and then click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then search Apps and Notification. Click on Apps and Notification. Then click on Photos. Simply disable it. Click on Disable App and disable the account. And you cannot simply deactivate Google Photos account or delete it. You can simply disable it and turn off backup. That's how you deactivate Google Photos account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.